You, get over. I'm gonna get you. You stop. No, you dumb ostrich. You do not get to hide. You do not get to. Well, shit. Who do you think? That is either an ostrich or a toucan. Literally, Seth. Okay. That's funny. You do not get to play dead. I saw that. I'm recording this just to smack you in the face. Yeah. Bad. Oh, I know what I'm gonna use this on. Time to explode. Die, you stupid bird. Fucking hate this bird. Yeah. Damn it. Well, anyways. You are a stupid bird. I fucking hate you, you stupid bird. Anyway. Keycard. I'm gonna grab this keycard. Oh. Stop. Ah! You stupid bird. Die, you stupid bird! I don't think I caught that on video, but screw it. I killed a bird. What was that? Oh, it's you. Hello, Jumbo Crush. You're my friend now.